Visiting the UK was so much fun. Yeah, I wish we could do it again. Captain Zoom, where are we going now? Well, we're about to go to Italy. I mean, France. Oh yeah, I thought we're going to Italy. No, we're just going to France. Great, one of my favorite places, Paris. Great. So, fasten your seatbelt, everyone. Okay. Here we go. Woo! I'm getting a little bit hungry. Well, Alice Pizzella will be coming in a few minutes, so be prepared for her. A few minutes later, okay, Alice Pizzella is here, and she's gonna prepare your breakfast. Ugh, hi there. Here's your breakfast, so Jessica, what do you want? Well, do we have any pancakes? Yes, we do. I have some strawberry pancakes. Okay, thank you. And you, spaghetti food. What kind of food would you want? Do we have any eggs? Yes, I do have some scrambled eggs. So, there you go. Thanks. And what about you, Missy Macaroon? Can I have some waffles, please? Here you go, here's the waffles. Merci. You're welcome. So, I'll be preparing your lunch in a little bit. Okay, everyone enjoy your food. We're going to be traveling to Italy in about 24 hours. Okay, I can't wait to travel to Italy in about 24 hours. Yeah, this is going to be fun. I guess I better go to the bathroom. Okay. After Jessica went to the bathroom, I'm back, girls. Okay, let's keep on flying.